All right, today we're diving into something that could completely change how you think about trading. We're talking about a platform that wants to put the power of a full-blown exchange right inside an app you probably use every single day.
So let's just start with this question. What if you didn't have to juggle a dozen different apps and websites? What if you could trade everything, cryptos, stocks, you name it, all from one place, without ever closing your messenger? It's a pretty powerful idea, right? And this is the platform making it happen, Storm Trade. It is the very first decentralized derivatives trading platform on the TON blockchain, and it lives completely inside Telegram. And get this, it offers up to 500x leverage. This whole thing runs as a simple mini app right in your chats. Okay, so why is this such a big deal? Why build on TON and integrate with Telegram? Well, this isn't just some gimmick. This combination is the platform's secret sauce. It's what gives it a massive strategic advantage over other DEXs. I mean, look at how easy it is to get started. It's almost ridiculous. If you have a TON wallet, you literally just open their bot in Telegram, tap one button that says trade, and boom, you're in. That's it. Think about how much friction that removes compared to the usual DeFi onboarding process. And once you're in, the benefits are immediate. You get market updates pinged directly to you as notifications. No more constantly switching apps to check prices. It'll just works inside an interface that hundreds of millions of people already use. This is the real power of building on the TON network. This quote from their roadmap just nails their entire mission. You get the super smooth, user-friendly experience of a big centralized exchange, a CX, combined with the security, freedom, and self-custody of a decentralized exchange, a DEX. It's all about giving you the best of both worlds.
Now, you might be thinking this all sounds great for beginners, but what about the pros? Well, that's the thing. Storm Trade isn't just for one type of user. It's built for literally everyone, from your very first trade to your most advanced strategies. And you can see that perfect balance right here. For the professional traders, you've got that crazy X500 leverage, a ton of different assets, advanced order types, and fine-tuned risk controls. But for newcomers, it's not intimidating at all. You've got fun, gamified achievements, a free academy to learn the ropes, and a super intuitive interface. And listen, we're not just talking about crypto here. This is a whole universe of assets at your fingertips. Of course, you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and TON, but you can also trade big-name stocks like Nvidia and Apple, major Forex pairs, and even commodities like gold. This is genuine portfolio diversification, all from one app.
And remember that Academy for newcomers? It's not just some boring FAQ page. Storm Academy is a full-on learn and earn platform. It's 100% free, available in multiple languages, and you actually get rewarded for learning. You complete courses, take quizzes, and earn points that can be converted into their Storm token. How cool is that?
Okay, we've talked convenience, we've talked features, but now let's get to the most important topic of all. The one thing that can make or break any platform in this space: security.
First and foremost, you need to know this. Your funds are always yours. This is the core promise of decentralization. Storm Trade is non-custodial, which is a fancy way of saying they never ever take possession of your assets. Your money stays in your wallet under your control, period. Now that's a big claim. So how do they back it up? Well, for starters, their smart contracts went through a full-blown audit by QuantStamp. And if you've been in Web3 for a while, you know that's a top-tier security firm. They're the real deal.
But they didn't stop there. The protocol was also audited by Ton.tech, the actual experts behind the Ton blockchain. This is huge because it means the people who know the network best took a deep look under the hood to ensure everything was safe and sound. And the final verdict from both of these intensive audits: a massive vote of confidence. No critical or high-risk vulnerabilities were found. That is exactly what you want to hear when it comes to the safety of your funds. Beyond the audits, they also give you tools to manage your own risk. A great example is isolated margin. This is a game changer. It basically lets you wall off the funds for each individual trade. So if one of your positions goes south, it can't drain your entire account. It's an absolutely crucial safety net. So the foundation is solid, and the security is top-notch. But where do they go from here? Let's take a quick peek at what's next on the roadmap. And the roadmap is wow. They're working on a version 3 with an experience that rivals a major centralized exchange. We're talking speeds under 200 milliseconds. They're also adding a built-in gasless wallet. And then there's all the social stuff.
copy trading, forming squads with friends and competing. And to top it all off, they're integrating AI for strategy suggestions and market predictions. This is seriously next level innovation.
So after seeing all of this, the real question is, are you ready to join the future of social trading? By putting such a powerful, secure platform right inside an app that billions of people already use, StormTrade is asking a pretty fundamental question. Could our social apps be the trading floors of tomorrow?